Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and share this video and like this video also. All right, comment on how useful this video is to you after watching it. So we'll be looking at how to design a weekend flyer this time around. So as I've opened the interface of my Pixellab, I'll be taking the material I'll be using for this design. So you can simply check the description of this video for the materials. So I'll just crop out this to reduce the working space. Then place it here. I'll change the color of this background because this is not the color I'm making use of. I'll change the color to white. Then I'll take a shape, go to shapes. I'll be taking this shape, then change the color. I'll shift this way and then increase the size. Increase the width and move it to the back. Good. So I'll take another material. So I'll go to my gallery. I'll take, sorry, not this. I'll take this. Then rotate it, rotate it like this and place it here. I'll reduce the size a little and then place it here. Change the color to white and then from here I'll move it down to be under this picture. Good. So the next thing I'll be adding here is the text. I can just tap on this A, tap on text and then edit. Weekend. Increase the size and change the font. Because I'm making use of the premium version, that's why I'll have most of these stylish fonts. So this is the font I'll be making use of. But if you're using the normal Pixellab version, you will not find this font in your font box. So you have to, if you need the premium version, you can just comment on this video or you chat me up through the WhatsApp link in the description. I'll change the color of this to black. And then I'll take another text, then edit. Then change the font also. I'll be using this I'm using this font. Better still, I'll change I'll be using this. So increase the size and then place it here. Change the color also to this blue. And then place it here. Good. I'll take another text, then edit. Happy weekend. Change the font also. I'll be picking this font and then change the color to black. I'll go to shapes and then increase the width of this and also change the color to blue. I'll reduce this and place it here. Move this to the front. Reduce the size of this in such a way that it will be able to fit into this space. Good. So I'll take another text, then edit. This time around I'll be adding a little write-up, which is, may this weekend with lots of joy, excitement, prosperity, and fun. So enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. From Rexy TV. Okay. Then reduce the size of this to fit in here. And then I'll change the color I'll select pure black so that it will be visible enough at this point. So this is how the weekend flyer is. So you can just add your WhatsApp number here. So I can just import the material from my gallery too. I'll import this. All these materials, you can simply get them from the description, just like the way I said before. Erase this color and then reduce the size and place it here. I'll copy this font and then edit all these. Then change the color to white. Make it bold and then place it here. So we are done with this flyer. We can simply save this to our gallery. You can just save it as image. I prefer to save it PNG and medium. So I'll save to my gallery. We're done with this design. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and equally share this video, share this channel link to your friends. Follow up on our videos if you want to know more about designs, or you want to diversify your skill. You're a designer that wants to gain more knowledge, you can follow up on this channel. All right, and you can equally share it too. So thank you so much once again for being here, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.